Alright, good afternoon everybody. Here we are. Just gonna try something different today. Just gonna do a little canal fishing around my neighborhood. There's some freshwater canals, some saltwater canals, and we're gonna try to see what we can get to. There's been a lot of rushing water because of this hurricane, so I'm hoping the fishing should be decent. So we'll see what we get into here today. There's a chance of Florida bass, as it's called now, peacock bass, tarpon, snook, maybe some snapper, mangrove snapper. Those are the three possibilities, or all the possibilities I can get into here. But we'll see what we get into. Should have probably worn shoes. We got some so this one's a freshwater system. Shouldn't be any tarpon or snook in this one. Shouldn't be. We'll see. See if there's anyone under here. There is some moving water. You can see it. So we got the Fuego Funk on there. This is like my smallest setup I have, period. I still take this out in the saltwater sometimes though. It's got a little dial 1000 Okuma reflections. It's a good trout setup. Someone was spooked there. Let's see. So again, my freshwater experience is not as extensive as the saltwater, but I slow it down a lot more. What are these? Oh, those are turtles. I think so. Oh, what was that? I want to snag something. Just had a hit. What is this? What is this? I don't know what this is, guys. No idea. Oh, it's something. What the hell is this? I caught something here, guys. He's digging. What is this? Oh my god. Guys, I think unfortunately this is a turtle. It is. Shit. Not what I want to deal with here. He's snagged. And that's a snapping turtle, guys. I don't want nothing to do with him, I don't think. I don't think it's a snapping turtle. I don't think this thing's gonna snap anyway, guys. Shit. guys. This is not gonna be easy, and then my pliers are up there, of course. Yeah, I'll be able to lift him. I just need to go get my pliers. Alright guys, I'm gonna loosen this so I can reach my pliers. Let's see what I can do. Oh, this side. I was wondering why I was fighting so weird. Alright. I've got the pliers here. Well, we're about to find out if it's a snapping turtle, 'cause I'm gonna try to get that hook out of him no matter what. God, man, I cannot. I know that hurts, dude. I don't want you to have that. Here we go. Shit. Sorry, buddy. Oh. Dang. That was a snag. Well, not what I expected for the first catch. Oh. I'm just glad I was able to get that off of him. It's a little lesson there. I don't know how often that happens in freshwater. That's only happened to me in saltwater one other time, and it was a humongous sea turtle. It was like 200 pounds out in Sanibel. What a weird one. That might have been a hit. So this is now, let's see, 5 days after Hurricane Milton. You can see that Northwest Cape didn't take much of a hit. Very mild compared to other places, for sure. This house, this thing got destroyed about 5 years ago when we got here from a tornado, and they never did anything with it. A little faster. There's the Cape Coral Golf Course. Yeah, guys, so that is supposed to be the break between freshwater and saltwater right there. And because of these water levels from the hurricane, it's obviously much higher. Let's see what happens here. Let's go over here. So on this side here, we can catch some snook, some tarpon, snapper, all the saltwater stuff. And then on this side, oh my gosh, I'll throw that away in a second. There's no trash here? Nope, of course not. That's why people just throw it anywhere. Well, no more trash over there. Look at all this trash here. Wow. People are just nasty. Oh wow. Let's see if there's anyone over there. Oh, what was that? Right there on the edge. Let's see. That looked like a Mayan cichlid. Saw swimming around. Oh yeah, I forgot about those. Those are around. He was on this side. What in the world is that? Something's decent swimming right here. See if I can get him to commit. Look at that Honu. He's trying to get